Hey y'all, today I'm gonna share with you guys something super exciting and super special. I'm just really thankful and grateful to Influencer for sending me this product. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna be talking about Boscia's Cactus Water Moisturizer, and I will be straight up and honest with you guys. I've only used this one time. I just got it in the mail yesterday, so I used it last night, and I will demonstrate to you guys using this product this morning. All I have on my face is my skincare so far. So before I get into showing you the box and everything, I'll let you guys know what I used in my skincare routine this morning. So I used my Murad clarifying facial cleanser, and then I moved on to the Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% solution. As you can see, I'm running quite low on this. I actually got this at Sephora, but I don't think they sell the Ordinary at Sephora anymore, unfortunately. But anyway, I'll link it down below so you guys can find it if you're interested in any of the other products that I'll mention to you today. But I'm still working on my skincare routine, hence this product. I think we'll see how it goes and see if it helps me out a little bit. But anyway, also I do have combination to oily skin, so I'll get into more of that later with the moisturizer. But anyway, that was the Ordinary Salicylic Acid 2% after washing my face, and then I went in with another serum from the Ordinary. It's called the Matrixyl 10% plus HA. I think this is just a peptide thing. I don't know, anti-aging, trying to take care of that early on, you know? And then next, I'm almost done here, and then we'll get into the moisturizer. I also got this Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Eye Cream. So I got this in a little Point Perk bag box thing from Sephora. So this is just a sample size, but this is a lot of eye cream. I mean, I dip my finger in once, and then I like mix it together on my other ring finger and just pat it in. So this will last you a long time. And then last, I just have some lip balm on. This is like one of my favorite lip balms of all time. It's the C.O. Bigelow Rose Salve. Pretty good stuff. So yeah, I'll link those below, and now I'll show you guys the box that I got from Influencer. So again, thank you for them to sending me this for free. I really appreciate it. I'm not usually one to win contests or win stuff like that, so I'm really appreciative and thankful, and this video is basically more of a thank you to them, along with a little first impression of this product. So anyway, here's the box. It's just got that really cool picture on it. It says Boscia, you know, preservative free forever on the back, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's a cute little box, and then we open it up here, as you can see, and it comes with this little card. It's just a cute little card. It says good, clean, fun, and then we've got a little bit of information on the back. Yeah, this is basically just telling you like what to do once you get your VoxBox from Influencer. So if you guys are interested in joining, I highly recommend it. I'm not going to go into all the details that it takes to be a part of it, but you can look it up, follow them on Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff, and just go do your own research and learn about it. I think it's really cool. So anyway, back to the box. We've got this, you know, all the tissue, and then you get your little product. So first of all, look at this color. Isn't that so pretty? I think it's so great. Yeah, Boscia Cactus Water Moisturizer. So let's just get into this. I'll read a little bit of the info on the side just so you guys have an idea of a couple more things about this product. Basically, it's all the good stuff that you'd want in your skincare, none of the junk, you know, not preservative filled, or it says no artificial fragrance and color free. It's gluten free, in case you were curious about that, and it's preservative free. So, oh, and it even says on the box here, good for combo to oily skin. So, you know, I think that's great. Good. It says good for sensitive skin, and there's botanical science involved. So, you know, I don't think you can really go wrong with that. Seems pretty safe and gentle to use. And then I'll just read the back of this box just to give us a little more information in case you're curious. It says a juicy, ultra hydrating moisturizer infused with Queen of the Night cactus succulent that gives thirsty skin a burst of deep hydration. I mean, that sounds pretty great, right? Peptide complex leaves skin feeling plump and bouncy while helping to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles for visibly younger looking skin, right? I mean, who doesn't want that? And then it just says to use, using the provided spatula or fingertips, scoop onto fingers and apply liberally on cleansed and toned skin. Can be used morning and night, alone or under makeup. Rinse the spatula after each use. So I actually did that last night. I really like the little spatula that they have in here. So it just comes like that, and you get quite a bit of product. I mean, let's see how much is in here. 1.61 fluid ounces and 47.59 milliliters. I think 1 ounce is pretty standard for most skincare products and like most foundations, I'd say. So you get like 1.5 times the product, so I think that's pretty great. And then they have this little clear spatula that they give you, which is really interesting looking. It's got this little, you know, it's got the handle, but it's like flat on this side. It's not like a spoon. You just kind of, you know, I think you'd like tap it in or scoop it out. I'll show you guys what I did. So since this product is so full, the texture on this is really cool too. So I don't know if you can see, like when I open it, it's like bouncy. I don't know. It's really interesting and strange, but it's really like, it's really just super cool and nice to put on. It smells light, I'm not gonna lie. There's a little bit of a fragrance, but I didn't notice it bothering me last night, and it doesn't stick around for very long. It's just nice and fresh and clean. And then so I just take whatever's on the lid, and I'm just gonna like go over it like that and get about that much. And I'll put the lid back on this. And then what I did is I just, you know, put it on the back of my hand to get all the stuff off the spatula like that. And then I just take it. You know, it's a little more than a pea size, I guess, but then I just kind of massage it between my fingers for a second and then just kind of smooth it all over. And I always try to make sure I get my neck too. So yeah, it feels like, I mean, it's a gel. You guys saw in the tube or the container it was a gel, but it feels a little more rich than just like a gel. I don't know if you guys have heard of or tried the, you know, the Belief Aqua Bomb. They have that at Sephora too, but I was thinking that this product was gonna be similar to that in texture, but really, I don't know. It feels a little more like thick and I don't know. I think, yeah, it feels just a little thicker, but in a good way. I mean, like I said, I have combo to oily skin, so I don't always like piling on like a whole bunch of products because I feel like it's gonna clog my pores. But with this, like, it just feels nice and refreshing almost. Like, it doesn't feel like greasy or sticky. Like, it just smooths over really nice. So I know I can't give you guys like a full review, but I will do an update to this video. Like, I guess I'll just consider this part 1, but like in a couple weeks, I'll come back and give you guys a more in-depth review of how I feel about it. But yeah, and it you know, it just really sinks into the skin and it feels nice. So yeah, I know this was probably kind of a short and sweet video, but really this was just more of me saying thank you to Influencer for sending me this product. Again, it was for free. Like, the only thing they asked for in exchange for them sending the product is a review. So I hope you guys appreciate that, and this is not sponsored. I do want to put that out there as well, but I'm trying to think if I forgot anything. I don't think so, but anyway, again, thank you so much to Influencer for sending out the VoxBox this month. Just showing you guys that one more time. I don't know when this comes out, so if I find out, I'll put it in the description box down below, or I don't know, maybe do your own research and see when it comes out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I know I'm like kind of all over the place. I'm not the best person at like filming videos or anything, but I'm just so happy to be here, and I'd appreciate your time if you took the time to watch this. And I guess if no one watches this, then that's okay too. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day and enjoy the rest of your week. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.